Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. My name is Mike Pitt. I make videos about business and crypto so you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase your portfolio. Third quick story for today is around the new partnership on Twitter. Twitter, we all know that Elon Musk, and here he is just above me in my box here. You can see that Elon Musk has been a fan, let's say, an investor of cryptos for a long time, and particularly has been, I would say, instrumental in price movements around Dogecoin, and the legality of that is something that perhaps we can discuss in a different video. But he has definitely influenced people with relation to meme coins, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu being the two prime examples of that. Yesterday, it was announced that Twitter has established a new partnership, you can see here, and eToro has confirmed that they are the partners, and they're going to be offering Twitter users, existing Twitter users, of which I'm one, the opportunity to buy crypto assets from within Twitter. So that's a partnership between Twitter and eToro. So let me just read that. Very excited to be launching a new cash tags partnership with Twitter, which will enable Twitter users to see real-time prices for a much wider range of stocks, crypto and other assets, as well as having the option to invest through eToro directly through from Twitter. So that's a new partnership. And if the last time I looked at the monthly active users for Twitter, I think it was around 300 million. Don't quote me on that. I will put the source article for that in the description. But that gives a potentially large audience of active online users to the opportunity to purchase crypto assets from within Twitter. When I last did a review of all the various different methods of purchasing crypto assets, and I'm going to focus on Bitcoin, eToro was not particularly cheap. It wasn't most cost-effective routes for buying crypto, but it is one that is available. So you can look at in the UK, you can look at Binance until May 23rd. You can look at Coinbase. You can also look at KuCoin. Obviously, do your research, make your own decisions. But this is an important initiative from Elon Musk and Twitter, and it'll be interesting to see what the response is to people being able to buy crypto assets from within Twitter. I hope you found this short video useful. Thanks for watching. If you have, please give me a like, subscribe, consider subscribing as well. Click on one or two thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you in the next one. Until then, peace, bye.